People say it's really very much uncalled for the way the things happen. Say yeah, I'm a bull no, and why don't we? You see, the option rule of law means that when somebody falters, take him to court. So it is only a court of competent jurisdiction. And every time I can say, oh, Caleb, Atiana say nobody has a moral right to say all the things that all the other people are saying. And I'm very disappointed at Kweku Baako and the way he said that he's not sure what Caleb was saying was true. The guy, young man, is a and he said something that hurts me more. That why didn't he talk at the time? When he came straight from. No, you don't do that. The guy is traumatized.
Tuma GHS so most for na ama obusama di medwe na my prado say ensema edie him e wo mahimu me be so mo say na sifatie say na wo so a wo hwe wetini enye bi ehuru na eye be say na wo twe menu entem enye na asem bi esi wo omanhimu a asem no ene say Kalekuda journalist a wo ye adwuma ema CTTV ni FM wo ko National Security for asweye ekotwetwa infoni bi say what the ebe news e dey fa ensem bi a best afim yenu ntem ni wa di ekira na wo twa infoni no ebi no ene dey say National Security for no ebi wo mo ehunu na say wo mo eche no e wo premises wo ene bi so wo mo season phone no wo mo season phone no tracy say wo send pictures no their money colleague the way Abu Beidu our office one wo adu eche kwache oba no so office wo at the same for e won sam de buburuja wo mai mo bia ka bi ebi se ole kwan so no ebi se aden na National Security afei de wo ma ji be bia boss we kan de kan no hye dem e better National Security na is the same no modern afei kan de won from ground ba na so na from bia the National Security and no nam so e ma ye twe wo mo say wo mpenifo Minister for National Security Owura Kendapa obehwe na so ye won we ya sesie wo ho se na be ya ensem bi se no eto ebetwa na no na didi mu ama National Security for the betu that wo mu ye ensem no emu ehwehwe mu se anopasem se ensem a Kalekuda no wo de ebetu dwase ya abuse no ye bo no ne de keka wonia no se ye no kra enye no kra no wo hwehwe mu no echire no en wo mo de press release bi abetu dwa no wo mo de elbo enkra to nkra de achega na phone ya se si ade de a police fo mo hwehwe mu a le so mo eka ewo ensem no emu bi no wo mo wo mu nya edi phone petition a se wo mo ka chiro so mo kotena se na ensem no wo mo hwe na wo mo kwa ase kra efa Kalekuda the allegations no we go for mo premi na menkan statement no emunsem kakra enfa enchemu na say na ensem no eti eda ho no esifa etel say actions on the committee report on the arrest of the City FM journalist at the Ministry of National Security. An investigation committee was set up by the Ministry of National Security to investigate a report of arrest of Mr. Kalekuda of City FM on May 11, 2021. The committee established that the conduct of Lieutenant Colonel Frank Ajiman, Director of Operations, and some police officers at the ministry on the said day was inappropriate and extravagant. The ministry's standard operating procedures. The committee also established that the journalists' unauthorized entry into the premises of the Ministry of National Security was unlawful. The following actions have been taken by the ministry, which firstly has said that the secondment of Lieutenant Colonel Frank Ajiman, Director of Communications at the ministry, has been reversed. The officer is to report to the Chief of Defense Staff for further investigation and appropriate action. And again, the 3 police officers involved have been withdrawn and are to report to the Ghana Police Service for investigation and disciplinary action. The Ministry of National Security wishes to assure the general public and particularly all media practitioners that the ministry will expeditiously investigate any complaints against any personnel of its agencies. The tenets of national security in Ghana should be based on a whole of government and a whole of society approach and cooperation from all well-meaning Ghanaians. The ministry assures the general public that measures continue to be taken to ensure the highest professional standards to engender public trust. And Honorable Albert Kendapa, our Minister for National Security and the Sense and Crate, I said, what the Ebo Dero, Edia Chairman, said, yeah, Colonel, Frank Ajiman, no, ni office, and the Kalikuda, Equatorian, no, ye in a position. I no more and she was asuna, a police for me and son, no more Ekawa. One more Ebrim, no woman so, you don't make Ghana Police Service, a woman so in seminal, you should monad, your Sefata, Sochiano, Sefata woman, your Tipa woman, say, a momo efi, a woman. Nanin Yemono, National Democratic Congress, Penny, or Dano, say, one more church or Penny, General Secretary, in your papa, Johnson, I said you enketia, or not make a alpha and seminal and one for and Sunday Beko one Crampono. Ye Faith Army Chapel International, and no, Yaba Abishia, Apostle Penny, our da Asafi, ano, Apostle Dr. Walter Sakwa Mante, not as any Edincomo, Afana, Jinche, FIA and Sem ya, National Security for Etumu Anamona, and Sunday Bedi and Comono, ye join one by nearby Edincomo, Ebesheso. No, Papa Shonko at the buy 50 so.
Yeah,
Apostle, say Bibi Aboko, Ewa.
I don't.
You do
worry. Yeah,
be fine, Bibi. It was therefore, Kalikuda, means and seminal, the other drew as a national security to one more and won't come and yet into Apostle Yenshen Kalikuda and Semi from the start, Yenshen. What dream from or anything?
We are building a nation, and as a man of God, I'm interested in what happens in our nation.
Okay.
We cannot take things for granted. First of all, City FM is a very professional station, whether you like it or not, they've done things well. They are not very partisan. They're not very partisan. They discuss issues more. They don't like partisan issues.
Okay.
And they handle their station with a lot of professionalism. So, and Kalekuda is somebody that is known. Indeed, when he told his story, or kind of story, although some of them recognize him as somebody who worked as a journalist.
Yeah.
And a lot of arguments about say he went there illegally, and the Joy FM. Something is that name.
Yeah.
Also came to quote the law to say that if it is in the interest of the public, he has a moral right to go and shoot it. And I heard Asidun Ketia also saying the outcome of the video is positive because it's trying to investigate a certain matter, whether the first set of cars have been taken away from there. Because his approach was that let me find out whether the car that initially was there has been taken away and it's not going back.
Okay.
So there's an element of public interest. I didn't think senior Mobo so it didn't go well. Because also the democracy and go kakra, it came from Ronnie's era and they had the idea where people were beaten and this is an old culture. And by this time, it feels in any case, national security, we should be it should be circumspect. It's not something that everybody should know. And it shouldn't come out like the military and other institutions are more. Theirs is for them to investigate and the person will be prosecuted. And that's what we do. But this other addition on a beating people, you could see that it is a culture for a long time now. Even in our democratic dispensation, and to me, as a society. And what they did was wrong. And it was too bad at the tensive moment now, my son. They didn't think too deep. If the guy is just 28 years, the youth are not happy. What is here? Time in a very good crowd. And the fact that I'm to that extent, it is weird, very wrong, and you know that he's a journalist. And especially when can say they talk about the culture of silence. And I mean, can say, now I don't go for the president, dear brother. He alone cannot do the work. What I say, he has delegated people. I don't think that, because I can tell you for a fact, Sir Ronaldson, Akufo-Addo, His Excellency, he has a very good relationship with City FM, if for nothing at all. You understand? Because Kojo works with City FM. Anytime there's something from the Ministry of Information, City is able to digest it, bring information back to the public. So there was a rapport between City FM and the government.
Yeah. Even the owner of City FM.
I mean, the owner of City FM. The owner of City FM is my cousin. Actually, I've created Samuels is somebody that actually is it's a family member. So I know him very well. So me feel said it's really very much uncalled for the way the things happen. And why don't we? You see, the option rule of law means that when somebody falters, take him to court. So it is only a court of competent jurisdiction, and everything I can say, Caleb, nobody has a moral right to say all the things that all the other people are saying. And I'm very disappointed at Kweku Baku and the way he said that he's not sure what Caleb was saying was true. The guy, young man, is equipped. And he said something that hurts me more. That why didn't he talk at the time? When he came straight from, no, you don't do that. The guy is traumatized. Invite him to come and talk on TV. So they waited. These guys in City are very smart guys. I like them. I love Ben and love the team that he worked with. Listen to them conduct interviews. You see the professionalism that goes with it. You go to me in Cancer. Why didn't they talk to Caleb? I know they feel said
But they spoke about the issue the next day.
They did speak about the issue the next day. The guy came to give his side of the story, which I thought was fine. And GJA was also a disappointment. Indeed, later he came back to apologize. But I said, I don't think, the Ministry of Kandapa was happy, and extraction came from him. People didn't judge well, they were not professional enough, and they didn't communicate. What's the City of here programs? They raise a lot of money for the government, you know that?
Okay.
Mami can't tell, once the police, and they know more, it's a station that means well for everybody. And on my approach, the first instance, I don't really understand it. I don't know what it is. I don't get it. What I say, it's very uncalled for. Okay. And you could have called Samuels and asked, Samuels, this guy from City, but I wonder, he would have given it to you, don't show it. That would have been it. There was no need to come then, the Rambo star they came with. I said, no wonder the National Security Minister, is it the Security Minister?
Yes, the National Security Minister, Honorable Albert Ken Daka.
Yeah, no wonder he said he has withdrawn their services temporarily.
He said through the investigation period and the punishment period too.
It doesn't go well at all. Maybe Jane, they said, and I mean, can say, the president cannot be everywhere.
Yes.
Why are they doing that?
Okay, Apostle, let's say yeah, but people still have the opinion that we know there are rules and regulations. And as an investigative journalist, you know your ethics. You shouldn't be found in your field because you are doing an investigation. Nobody likes to be investigated. And people are also of the view that that's the reaction that any group of people in that caliber would have done. Like when you go to Bema Camp, you can't go to Bema Camp, go and take videos from Bema Camp and expect, and when you are seen from there, you can come out from there like a whole person. You should know that definitely.
Have you read the security, what the law says about security and the implications, the meaning? In defining the security, but they meant ammunitions of war. That's what the law says.
Yeah.
Just do a detailed analysis. I was listening to Sam George.
Okay.
And he took time to really explain. He's done his research. And he said, the security means that they have ammunitions of war. So, really, around cars, it's not a place for ammunitions of war.
Okay.
And in any case, go to US, you can stand in front of Pentagon and shoot. Pentagon and shoot. They have videos. There's nothing wrong, even at that time, at that place where, security is very tight.
Okay.
So the definition of the security zone is vague. It's just offices and other ministries around, don't forget.
Yes, there are other ministries around.
See, you define ideally, and it's in the public interest. So a court of competent jurisdiction would have been the best place to go and interpret the laws for us, interpret all the issues for us. But almost decided to young guy, and say, 28 to car, that language doesn't really help. Young people, you don't have job. They have found a job working somewhere. It's really not very good for the for the system. And I like the fact that the minister has taken a bold step to solve it, to bring some healing and create a positive impression about the country. I think why I did.
Even
the tension is too much.
Tension is too much. Even with the step, minister, taking with this press release on the WhatsApp, I'm all for being so I've come up with a view, say, really, it's nothing new because during the Ayawaso West Legon issue, I think around 2017, 2018, the Ayawaso West Legon issue, when it happened, a committee was set up to investigate the issues. They came up with solutions how to go about it. The government accepted it.
But were they withdrawn?
Yet, they even
at that time, they were not withdrawn.
No, they asked that Sam Azubu should be taken off his position. And he is still at the national security asset, even
but
the issue.
The Frank is no more at his position. Right?
And that's what people are saying. Even
so
with the press release, they are saying with this press release, it might come out that this is what have been done. They say they are investigating, so they are taking him off his position. But later on, issues might come up again and realize that though it may be accepted and told the public.
The worry is the clearing the people.
Yes, clearing the people.
Well, I mean, time will tell. It's like some you are drinking the soup from the fufu. Is that what you say?
That's what I think you mean. So,
so you are. It's early days yet. That's what I mean.
Okay.
Why it's in process. And I feel it's a step for me. It's a step in the right direction.
Okay.
Well, this issue has raised a lot of hurrah. The time is not good. They are comparing it to other issues I've seen out there. The culture of silence. Sam Jonah and what comes. Sam Jonah also came to say, it's not really working well. Until we feel sad. The process is ongoing. I hope we'll have a very good conclusion on this matter. That's my hope.
Okay, even in the statement, National Security, MDT statement said what the journalist did is still unlawful. They are not accepting it as something that should be left to go off.
Okay, so it is not for them to judge whether it's unlawful.
According to their ministry, rules they go by.
What rules? Which is unlawful? What do you call unlawful? So if you don't want anybody to come to that place, get your security in front and check people before they enter.
Okay.
Then the security at the gate is weak. Where did he enter? What space? At which meters? What do you call unlawful? I don't agree with that, in my humble opinion. If we want to do lawful and unlawful, you are not going to get anywhere. Okay. But the thing is that the guy has been molested, he's been brutalized, which is wrong. It takes a court of competent jurisdiction. That's what we call rule of law.
Yeah.
To judge whether indeed he was unlawful or lawful. As a journalist, everything will be unlawful for every journalist.
Okay.
Don't forget the work he does. What about Anas? Most of the things he did was unlawful. When he comes, we hail him. Anas, I remember Anas.
Yes, Anas.
All the exposes he does, we call them unlawful. He goes everywhere.
Yes, Anas.
When it comes out, it benefits the public. It comes to public interest. That's what we are talking about. Has anybody interpreted the law to say that indeed it's unlawful? I mean, they can't be speculative and try to say it's unlawful. It takes a court of competent jurisdiction. If they want to push it, we can all go to court.
So the national security is not in a position to call it lawful.
Well, that's their opinion. But they can say what they want to say. But if they want the true state of the situation, let's go to an independent body. which is indeed the court.
Or the committee. The committee also.
Okay, the committee, if it's properly constituted, which of course it will be, can say it is unlawful.
So this is the statement from the committee about their findings in
So the committee is saying that it's unlawful. Well, in my opinion, we should even investigate further.
Okay.
I do not think it is unlawful. I think that the court is the best place to judge. It takes time to do.
Okay.
Because we still have to even look at a lot of the constitution of the committee.
Okay.
Who are the members of the committee? Is it still the national security who investigated? Or another committee independent of the national security? Who investigated it?
We only know of a committee set up.
Made up of who and who?
We know the committee was set up, but
let's find out the constitution of the committee.
Yeah, okay.
And it should be an independent body from the national security.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That's very good. Okay. Now, the Apostle Asiedu Nketia, Mr. Asiedu Nketia, NDC for General Secretary. The Wakafa and Seminole say, we applaud people when they take things and do wrong things which bring good outcomes. Like, in instances, not making a reference, not making, and they say, Obi Timi Guru will be there, not to say, you could be now, so it's a good thing. So we should applaud the good that came out, not the bad that came out. So we should even see Caleb as a hero. Do you agree with him on?
Look at the outcome. I think Caleb is a hero. I mean, a lot of things have come up. Because, I mean, that culture also, the BMJ, Ebon Crawford, to me, good journalists and it's not the first one that's happened. There are a lot of cases. More Tuti journalists. Who are journalists?
Yes.
The Tutis are also
I won't be happy.
It's more too often. And they are also part of governance.
True.
You understand? It's like the executive and not the judiciary. They are the fourth estate.
Yeah.
You understand? So you can't underrate. Maybe the clergy will be the fifth estate.
Okay.
So you can't take them out of the equation.
True.
And so you can't try to intimidate another, line of governance irrelevant to democracy to make sense. And it's wrong. Because without journalists, now how are we going to put the politicians on their toes? At least politicians, when the journalists are doing their thing, it helps to bring some sanity and helps the issue of corruption. And say, and they should be careful not to kill the journalists and kill the zeal, the enthusiasm, the passion. A very higher democracy power.
Okay.
And it's wrong. Just a few bad notes on where side.
But still now, go forward using the opposition of standing on this to make the government look bad. Because
as for opposition, yeah, they will do that. That's what they are supposed to oppose and make government accountable. Maybe the way they go about it, but it is part of it.
It's part of politics.
It's part of politics. And you really know what they say. Now, people are descending and they are not looking at whether it's NPP or NDC. Don't forget, sir, you, because now the floating voters are very powerful. They rule and they make presidents. They rule the floating voters, they make presidents. And yet, the NDC become, and yet the NPP become.
It's not about the members.
Yes, it is the floating voters. And the world is watching, Ghanaians are watching, they are discerning. Well, I think that generally it's a good thing. The outcome is coming out this way.
But still now,
I feel for the young man who has gone through so much.
Okay, but the defense of most of the communicators for NPP, I think I watched one on Critical Show, one of the live programs. It was like, we shouldn't overlook the fact that what Caleb did would have injured our security.
I'm very disappointed sometimes in the way the communicators do their work. I don't know who trains them. They use the same approach every time. And I'm sitting back and saying, listen, you don't do that. I'll tell you, when they fix the country came, the wisest person, one of the wisest people that came to talk was Honorable Ken, the finance minister.
Ken Ofori-Atta.
Yes. He said, we accept it, we are ready to work with you. So the approach was a bit cordial. He toned things down. He did a fix. That fix your attitude thing and get people the more. Because the guys are brought the team. We're not politicians. And they were even warning NDC people not to leave them because you understand?
Okay.
Ken Ofori-Atta did a very good job, and the way he spoke, I was so impressed. You understand? He was the wisest man for the day. And like, I thought the communicator should have spoken this language. Because everything, you can't use the same thing. I'll give you one answer. Also went back, went to use the same approach. You have to later coming back, insulted people. No, it's not. At this time, it wasn't about NDC, MDP.
Okay.
Don't communicate without discerning, what the problem on the ground is. That's my problem. They're also saying that as a problem, these guys. Maybe they need to go back to their bosses to teach them. Because I'm sure they have bosses.
Yes.
And they should listen from their bosses if you are communicating. I don't think that the bosses are not competent, no. But I think that some people are not doing their work well. And the way they are communicating is not. Communication is very complicated. You don't use the same models operandi on every issue. Oh, let's equalize. Let's do this. No. And I feel sometimes a minimum get professional with all due respect to them.
Okay. So Apostle, the whole one is very honest, but I want to ask this one finally, so we make it clear to the people watching. And this year, with what Khaled Kuda did, and now the people at the National Security who prevented him or who molested him for what he did, and everything that has come up with them being sacked from their positions. And now, does it mean that the national security offices or premises are now open despite their security installation? That if you're a journalist and you feel
a very good conversation we are having, they have to come to the drawing table. There should be reforms. Whether we need a SWAT system or not, whether we need the people there or not, their approach, there should be more training. If they're on your train them more. Whether the situation of the national security office is even good where it is.
Okay.
Whether we have to move it. So it should come with more detailed conversation. Yes, don't come there again. That's too superficial.
Okay.
So there should be more to it than don't come there again.
Okay.
And if people are coming there, do we have security before you enter? Can we build the security? Somebody cannot still enter without the checks that has to be gone.
Okay.
No. Are there cameras there to watch who is coming? He said, I'm looking for Abena, and he just entered. The security at the gate is even weak.
That's funny.
Looking for Abena, and he entered. In fact, all of them should be prosecuted and sent to jail.
All of them are
yes, because they have failed all of us. They have exposed the country. For him to say that I'm looking for Abena, for him to improve security and enter like that. We should stop having this conversation. Then the person walks in, they're going to be there. It's all. So the conversation should not be just say if you are peripheries are. No. It should be more detailed and deeper than what it really is.
Okay, now Apostle Radio, final words that young families.
My final words, I'm just praying that the journalists will be protected, that our democracy will not fail. I'm praying for Ghana's democracy, and I'm praying for the coverings of our journalists. There should be professionalism. I'm praying for our national security as well, that it should become stronger. Because these are institutions that are very powerful. I'm praying for the national security and the minister in charge and everybody that is supposed to work in the government, that God should give them the wisdom. I also pray for the president as well, that the Lord will help him to lead us as the president and the father of the nation. I pray that all his people around him will also help him. In Jesus' name, that's a very powerful prayer.
Amen. And day aha and the day again, Khaled Kuda. Then some man who so called national security as so yeah, go try for me. I bro no need to say one same ya be a besi any. They say national security for to animal. Woman ye 4 officers efi a year one position and one more extra institution mu a beam so actual master or macho mason a choir essay a fata eso. Ninety but giant and common a yes I have so we so near chill also I'll show you what don't you ever a national security for AC Ediafa and Seminole and but more than factory your comment section will maybe no share video way on all the social media platforms. Yewo Apostle Dr. Walter Kwamante na so na Safo Faith Army Chapel International Odoko Buzia Junction. Bomodia na locate Asafi na fana bada wase so when you require na so me adare to ye e de basa fun ha and Christopher esom ewo niti modia na page akwan. We need na ama obusa follow him on social media platforms. Instagram, Twitter, so at too much GH _ Facebook. So too much GH.